one of the most insane thing that you can do in Recraft.ai is to generate some branded pictures that were based on your logo or maybe your own styling. So you can just create one picture and then you can ask AI to generate a different picture based on the same styling or color. So these are just some examples of icons that I generated based on my current YouTube channel logo. And you can tell that the color looks similar, the styling looks spot on. And I think this is the benefit of using AI. You don't have to design everything from scratch. Just design it once and then let AI to do the rest. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a branded picture using Recraft.ai. And the best part is that this feature is completely free. You don't have to pay for the premium subscription in Recraft.ai. And for this demo, I'm going to be using a free account. So just to show you that this is completely free. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is that you have to sign up or sign into your account. And by the way, I do have the link in the video description, and if you're signing up using my link, you will have access to extra 200 credits, which I think is quite generous. So after that, after you sign into your account, you can click on this button that says create new project. And by the way, make sure that you have prepared the picture that you want to recreate, or you want to copy the style or the color. And after that, after you enter this UI, you can click image and then click Recraft version 3 raw, or basically whatever model that is being used at the moment. Click that, and you want to click on the button that says create style. And then here I'm going to call the style to be let's say my channel name. And you can upload up to 5 images for the samples. Now for a free user, you can only upload up to 3 images a day, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But usually 1 image is actually enough. But if you have other images that you want to copy, then you can upload them as well. But just keep in mind that you can only upload up to 3 images for a free user. All right, I'm gonna be using my logo. Let's just drag and drop the file right here. And after that, you should be able to see there are 2 other sections appearing. So this is where you can fine-tune the setting, and you can test whether or not the setting is actually good for your style. So let's try to draw. I want to have a picture of a, let's say, polar bear. Select that. And here, by the way, there are 4 different options. There is photorealism, illustration, vector art, icon, and you can actually select your own style if you want. You can customize the prompt. So this is the result from vector art using this simple setting. If you're not satisfied with that, you can always change that. Let's say I want to switch to icon, and I will try again. You can keep doing this until you find the one that looks the best, looks close, very close to your original vision of the picture. And there you go. I think I like this one. It's simple, the color is definitely spot on. So I'm gonna be using this setting, and when you're done with everything, you can click add my styles, and there you go. Now you can see that it is using your own style, so you can start prompting AI to generate whatever picture that you want based on that styling. Now I'm going to be using this for to generate multiple pictures. So let me delete this first, and I want to select image set and select the style to be my own style, this one. And let's say I want to have a picture of a polar bear, and then second picture is a panda, and then this one is going to be cat, and then dog, and then bunny, and lastly is going to be a polar seal. There you go. And as always, you can always change the dimension, but I think 1:1 is good enough. And when you're done with everything, you can send the message, send the prompt, and just wait for Recraft.ai to generate the picture based on your previous styling. So there are other things that you can do, like you can, avoid using text. You can click on this button if you want. You can also select a different color. But yeah, by the way, this is the result, and I gotta say, it looks amazing. So yeah, these pictures were based on my logo, and I think they do look amazing. I could definitely use it on my website, or maybe on my sticker for YouTube channel. And yeah, I think I'm quite happy with this result. So yeah, anyway, that's basically how you can generate branded pictures using Recraft.ai, and you can always reuse that same style again and again, and that's the beauty of it. So if you want this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.